Lesson 9, Simple Machines. Student, today we will understand about pulleys. Pulley is a simple machine used to lift heavy objects. A pulley has a wheel with a groove and a rope, belt or chain that moves over the groove of the wheel. Pulley is a simple machine which is used to lift heavy objects. A pulley has a wheel with a groove and a rope, and it has also belt or chain that moves over the groove of the wheel. Pulleys are of two types, that is fixed pulley and movable pulley. Pulleys are two types, fixed pulley and movable pulley. Now we have to understand activity 2. Aim to demonstrate the working of a pulley. Material required: cardboard, a bottle cap, a strong thread, a small packet of snacks, pencils and a few books. Procedure: take two cardboard pieces and mark a circle on both the pieces. Using a bottle cap, make sure that the circle is slightly bigger in size. Cut out both the circles and make a hole in the center of both the circular pieces. Stick a bottle cap between the circular pieces and make a hole in the bottle cap such that all the holes are aligned. Insert a pencil through the holes and wrap a thread around the bottle cap. Set up two heaps of books such that both the heaps are of equal height. Adjust the pencil between both the heaps of the book. Tie a packet of snacks to one end of the thread and pull the thread from the other end. Observations: as you pull the thread moves over the bottle cap, pulley, and the load packet of snacks moves up. Conclusion: pulley changes the direction of force. Now we have to understand about fixed pulley. A fixed pulley has a wheel fixed at a place and the rope moves in the grooved rim of the wheel. Fixed pulley has a wheel fixed at a place and the rope moves in the grooved rim of the wheel. It changes the direction of the applied force. Some common applications where fixed pulley is used are in lifting water from a well, raising a flag to the top of the flagpole, and navigating a sailboat. Now we have to understand about movable pulley. In a movable pulley, the wheel is not fixed. It is free and movable. In movable pulley, wheel is not fixed and it is free and movable also. The load is directly attached to the pulley. This type of the pulley helps to lift heavy loads with lesser effort than in the case of the fixed pulley. It is usually used in combination with a fixed pulley. For example, machines like cranes use both fixed and movable pulleys to lift heavy weight. Now we have to understand about wheel and axle. A wheel and axle arrangement is a simple machine. It consists of a wheel attached to a rod called axle. The steering wheel, a doorknob, a bicycle pedal and egg beater are some examples of the wheel and axle combination. When the wheel moves, the axle, which is rigidly fixed with the wheel, also moves in the same direction. Now we have to understand about an inclined plane. An inclined plane is a slope or a tilted surface used to move heavy loads up and down. It changes the direction of the force applied and reduces the effort needed to do the work too. Ramps in school, hospitals and malls and slides in a playground are a few examples of inclined plane. Now we have to understand about screw. A screw is actually a modified inclined plane wrapped around its pole. It has a groove at its head for screwdriver to fit in it easily. The spiral of the screw threads it into objects such as wood or a concrete wall. A screw is used to hang picture frames on our wall. Other applications of screw are a car jack used to lift car. Now we have to understand about wedge. A wedge is a simple machine in which two inclined planes are joined together. It has a long triangular shape with one side blunt and the other side sharp to cut through things. Examples are a knife and the head of an axe. Now we have to understand about checkpoint of this chapter. Give 3 examples of each of the following type of simple machine. Number 1, lever. You have to write shovels, boat oars, pliers. Number 2, pulley. You have to write elevators, window blinds, rock climbers. Number 3, inclined plane. You have to write funnel, chisel, hatchets. Number 4, wedge. You have to write saw, fork, cheese grater. Number 5, screw. You have to write drill, bolt, faucets.